Welcome to this mindly 5-minute meditation. We have thought about our listeners who do not have YouTube Premium and have taken care to ensure that no advertisements will interrupt your meditation session. We've placed advertisements only at the beginning and the end of the video. If any advertisements appear at other moments during this meditation, please be aware that these have been inserted without our knowledge or control. Your uninterrupted peace during this practice is our highest priority. Okay, here we go. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Sit with your back straight, yet relaxed. Close your eyes and take a moment to settle in. Let's begin with 3 deep breaths. Inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. One more time. Breathe in and out. Now, allow your breathing to return to its natural rhythm. If any thoughts or concerns come to your mind, simply acknowledge them, then let them pass. You are here in this moment. Let's set an intention for this meditation. Silently tell yourself that this time is for you to find peace and tranquility, even if it's just for these few minutes. As you breathe in, imagine a warm light surrounding you, bringing with it calm and security. As you breathe out, imagine the light taking away any worries or tensions you might be holding. Now let's become aware of our breath. Don't try to change it, just notice it. Feel the air coming in through your nostrils and leaving your mouth or nose. Notice your chest and belly rise and fall with each breath. If your mind begins to wander, which is completely normal, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Don't be hard on yourself. Acknowledging that your mind has wandered and bringing it back is the practice. Now let's take a deeper breath and imagine that with each inhale, you're bringing in peace and calm. With each exhale, you're releasing any doubts, fears, or anxieties. Let's focus inward. Ask yourself, how am I truly feeling at this moment? There's no right or wrong answer. Simply acknowledging how you feel is an important step in understanding oneself. Take a moment to thank yourself for taking this time out of your day for your well-being. You deserve this peace and calm. Now, slowly start to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Feel the surface beneath you, the air around you. Listen to the sounds in your surroundings. When you're ready, gently and slowly open your eyes, bringing your meditation session to a close. Before we part, we'd like to remind you to save this session to your favorites on YouTube so you can easily find and revisit this meditation. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to the Mindly channel. We regularly post meditations and mindfulness practices, helping you cultivate peace, confidence, and positivity in your everyday life. Your support means a lot to us. Thank you for sharing this time with us, and remember, you are capable of anything. Take this belief into your day and make it extraordinary.